Ready to unlock the next shortcut? Hit subscribe and let's keep exploring how to do more by doing less. Stay curious, stay efficient.
Yeah, that was not me. That was my AI duplicate voice. So let's explore how to do that today. It's called ElevenLabs, and let's give it a go. Okay, as you might have noticed, I'm a little bit new at this sort of stuff, so I am doing a lot of umming and ahhing, and I have to really improve my way of communicating and getting used to being a podcaster. It's not really my natural personality to go and do public speaking, but I do like to share the knowledge. So a way of getting around that, potentially, if I don't improve soon, is by doing cloning my voice, doing a text to speech version of me, or cloning my voice and writing the script first. So I'm trying out, and this is probably the way podcasts is going to go in the future. People that are a little bit more introverted like me will try and opt for this, go for this option rather than trying to fumble through talking and re-talking and reiterating what they've already said. Let's just get it right in the first place. Write a really good script in ChatGPT and let the AI do the voiceover for it. So today I'm testing out ElevenLabs, which was recommended to me by one of the podcasters I follow. He reckons it's really great. So ElevenLabs is a voice generator that can deliver high quality human-like speech in 32 languages, perfect for audiobooks, video voiceovers, commercials, and more. So you can see when I actually read from a script, I'm actually not too bad. So this script I've made with ChatGPT, and I did a quick 20-30 second sample of my voice to generate a similar voice in ElevenLabs. So let's see how it goes. So we've got, I've written my script, and I'm just going to play the script through AI. So this is not my voice, this is an AI clone of my voice, and see how close it gets it. Hello, and welcome to the Shortcut Society. Today, we're testing out ElevenLabs, a powerful voice generation website. With ElevenLabs, you can create lifelike voices by cloning your own voice, or selecting from a wide range of pre-made voices. Yeah, so I reckon that's pretty good as a first attempt. I mean, I'm on the basic plan, so I think with a more premium plan, you get to record a lot more of your voice to get a closer match to what your voice actually is. You can see on this platform, you can change the speed of the voice that has been cloned. The stability, I can make it more variable, so it does it changes it up a little bit more. I can make the similarity higher or lower. So let's maybe try the higher similarity, so it's really close to my voice. I haven't tried this yet, and see how that goes. You can generate audio from a written script, or even capture natural conversations through a microphone. I'm currently using the $5 starter plan. Now, I reckon that's pretty close. This is the first time I've used this, and that sounds like me. I mean, it's a little bit less bassy, I'd imagine, than this microphone, but you can fix that in post-production if you wanted to make it more bassy. But yeah, I reckon that's really good. I've tried it the other way around, and it does sound, it gets less and less like me. Let's try adding heaps of exaggeration and see what that does. Oh, instability. Okay, let's try it. And similarity low. Okay, let's try it now. Which offers 30,000 characters per month for text-to-speech generation. This plan also includes access to the pre-made voices and the ability to create up to 5 custom voices using voice cloning. Okay, let's try the speed. Let's make it a lot faster, which I do tend to speak quite fast, which I have to really try and pay attention to on this platform. Let's go 20% faster maybe. Let's see how that sounds. ElevenLabs uses advanced AI technology to produce natural sounding speech, making it ideal for content creation, podcasts, or simply experimenting with voice generation. It's interesting because it's even picked up some of the because I haven't got a pop filter on my mic at the moment. So it's even picked up that from the mic. I mean, I could probably put a pop filter on this mic, which I do have in the cupboard, and make it a bit more of a clearer clone. But yeah, that's really interesting. It's picked that up. So yeah, this is my first review or testing out of this product. I think it's pretty good so far. I've just paid $5 for the month to give it a bit of a test and a review. I'll probably make some more in-depth videos about this, but just for now, what are we up to now? So probably about 5 minutes or so of this video. So I think this is enough to give it a go, and I'll do some further testing and see where we go from there.